Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how you can recover your Spotify account without email and password. So open your web browser and search for Spotify contact form and tap on the first link. Now Contact Us Spotify page will open. Scroll down and find Send Us a Messages section and tap on Messages. If you have linked your account with Facebook, Apple or Google, you can log in without your email or password using those platforms. However, if that's not an option for you, tap on Forgot Your Password, then tap on Spotify Support. Now select the account used to log in from Facebook, Apple, Google. If you use Google to sign in, tap on Google Login Help. Next, scroll down and tap on Get Help Here. Now navigate to Think Your Account Has Been Hacked. Select Contact Access Your Account and proceed to Contact Us. You will find an option to directly chat with the Spotify team by tapping on Start Messaging. Now simply initiate the chat and explain I can't access my account. Provide all the necessary details as requested, such as your remembered password, associated email address, payment details, recovery email, and other relevant information. Once Spotify team verifies your identity as the account owner, they will reach out to you on your recovery email address and guide you through all the process to recover your Spotify account. So that was it for today's video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more.